Morning. Welcome back to Timetron 2000, the Quarry. We got ourselves a nice morning here, about going to be 60 this weekend. I'm a little early. The property owner is doing some dirt moving, and I tell you, I know firewood's kind of monotonous and seems never ending, but I can't imagine what it's like moving dirt for a living. That must be totally, like, man, never ending. You know, it's like there's always another pile of dirt to move someplace, I'm sure. So, a little early, gotta wait for him to quit work, and we don't want to get in his way. He's being generous by letting us cut here, and it's great property. We don't want to step on his toes. Besides, we got to cut down our firewood log pile. For some reason, we decided it would be a brilliant plan to leave everything full length, but it all needs to get cut down to 22 feet now that it's all stacked in a tight pile, which is going to suck. But we knew better. We were just being lazy at the time. What are you going to do? We're trying our best to just get things done, and then we, got further ahead of ourselves than we expected fast. So I was saying that wouldn't happen again, but we're gonna do it again. I'm sure we never learn from our mistakes. But I did want to take a second while I'm waiting for other guys to finish their thing to thank everybody for watching our content. We've had a lot of great response from the Facebook page and I'm glaring my glasses. Facebook page and our YouTube channel. I mean, we're no Mr. Beast here, but we're reaching some people. And I've noticed that in our analytics that there's a stark difference between folks that are subscribed watching our content and folks that aren't subscribed. And of course, I want to give a special thanks to the people that come back week after week and suffer through the horrible content we provide you. It really means a lot to us. But I want to maybe put a little question out there and see if maybe some of the people that aren't subscribed just click that button. It's free, and if you like what you see, it's going to tell us that we're doing the right thing, and it's going to tell YouTube that we're doing the right thing too, and it'll help get our content out to more people and share our experiences with the responsible logging and firewood practices. And every now and then something interesting happens. Not this morning, though. Just waiting for this guy to quit moving dirt. So, on that, I want to wrap up my pre-intro, and hopefully we'll be able to get to work here in a couple minutes. I'm not sure what we're doing, but I don't like sitting around with this much coffee in me. Thanks. We'll see you later. Woo, that went up. We got a jumper. Crack loud. Whoa! Glad I was rolling film on that one, dude. That one splattered. So I figured I'd give you guys a step-by-step on how we're gonna prepare this here big old maple tree, hard maple. This is the cream of the crop right here, the creme de creme. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this top it. Maybe you get a high speed of it. I'm gonna set the thing up on the tree. There's no way it's gonna fall off. down to a manageable length. You have to jump the other side, I think, right? Got to the other side? Hold on, there's a limb over here I got cut off. Well, it's a piece of firewood, but I was going to try to pull it up on the other end. So I left it on there. The nicest hard maples I think I've ever seen in the wild. The other one, let's see, I think the other nice hardy was over at Bill's. There were some nice hardies there too.
This is bigger than all that.
Is it? It's okay. That's bigger. pounds a log right there. It's hard maple, straight like that. Part of it will go for prime, some of it might go for veneer. Considering this property owner was going to be just knocking these down and put them in a burn pile, knowing that this log here is going to be made into a piece of furniture or a piece of flooring and be able to live on for possibly hundreds of years. Feels good, you know. It's the most renewable resource we have at our disposal. This is a beautiful specimen. Where it's going to get a little hairy getting back up onto the road here. Just about losing the skidder up in the front. I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. I'm on foot. Like to coat our logs in mud real quick before we put them out on the landing. Oh, what do y'all think of our pile of firewood here? Pretty hefty, huh? Midway through the day here. Probably won't do a lot of videotaping tomorrow. Videotaping, geez. I'm not dating myself there, am I? Mother's Day. Forgot about that. Yeah, we got some firewood here. I want to thank y'all for sticking this far with me in the show if you have. See if we can't get up the top of the pile. See what the guy with the excavator is doing. Debating whether or not we're gonna wait for him to push those trees over, which doesn't look like he's ready to do that anytime soon. Got quite a nice pile of logs too. That's gonna pay good. But yeah, we're just about done here. One more weekend and we're moving on to another property. It's gonna be a bummer. Can only go downhill from here. All right, back to it. Yeah, let's walk on our log pile. Why not? Before we get back to work. Some freaking beasts in here. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's some big old logerinos in here. No good for firewood. Hopefully they take all this stuff. Yeah. Some logs. forgot to record an outro, I think, or lost it, or never recorded one. One of those three. But we want to thank everybody for watching the show, and this is a picture of that large hard maple we cut down and hauled out. It's going to go to the mill and become some kind of beautiful furniture, and we're going to be off to the next one after this episode. We just got one more day of rounding up firewood, and we're out of there. Thanks for watching the episode. If you made it this far, we really appreciate that. And if this is the kind of stuff you're into, give us a like, and if you're feeling really generous, subscribe. And we promise to continue to provide horrible content for you guys to be miserable with or enjoy. Thanks again.